Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone here. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. And I would like to show my appreciation for all the support you guys have been giving me in this channel. I'll be doing a 2-week $25 CVS e-gift card. I know it's not that much, but I hope it helps out with tax. And I'll pick the winner from the comment section of this video. Then I'll announce it in next week's video. And for the second winner, I will be picking someone from the comment section in next week's video. And I'll announce it on 12/31st video. All you have to do is leave a comment. It doesn't matter what you say. It can be as simple as hi. Good luck to everyone, and let's get into this video. The first deal I have here is buy 2 get $4 back on Colgate Total, Stain Fighter or Max Fresh. Pick up 2 of the Optic Whites, priced at $5.19. The total for these 2 items will be $10.38. Today we received a 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon that will be applying to this. That will drop it down to $6.38. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $2.38 or $1.19 each. But if you prefer the Colgate Total, pick up 2. They are priced at $5.59 at my store. Both items will total $11.18. Using the 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon that we received today is going to drop it down to $7.18. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $3.18 or $1.59 each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $2 back on Firefly Kids Oral Care, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the toothbrushes, the 2 counts, priced at $3.59. That's the cheapest my store have, and 2 of them are going to total $7.18. We don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. Pay the $7.18 and get $2 back, making both items $5.18 or $2.59 each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $3 back on any raw sugar product, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the raw sugar kids bath bombs, priced at $5.29. These 2 items are going to total $10.58. I don't have any coupon for this, but you can add it to a next purchase CRT, or if you have any percentage of CRT, because these products are not on sale. But without any of those, pay the $10.58, get $3 back, making both items $7.58 or $3.79 each. The next deal I have is when you buy any Real Beauty facial sheet mask, you get $3 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Real Vitamin C sheet masks, priced at $3.99. Pay that and get $3 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal is when you spend $10, you get $4 back on any Peach Slices Acne Care, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Peach Slices Acne Dots. They are priced at $4.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $9.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making both of them $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you don't want to pick up 2 of the spot dots, you can pick up the deep blemish micro dots. They are priced at $9.99. That's within the 98% rule. Pay the $9.99 and get $4 back, making it just $5.99. The first cosmetics deal I have in this video will be on CoverGirl. Then on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. These 2 items are going to total $11.58. Today we received a mystery offer, a $4 mystery offer, and it's for CoverGirl or Revlon. That means you can only use it once. I have this $2 coupon I got from coupons.com, but we also have one in our app. And last week Sunday we received another $4 CoverGirl digital coupon that will also apply to this deal. With the coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $1.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items free and a $3.42 moneymaker. The next deal I have here will be on Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools. They on buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Revlon Kiss Balms, priced at $6.79 each. These 2 items are going to total $13.58. Like I mentioned earlier, we received a $4 mystery offer, and that covers both the Revlon or CoverGirl. You can only use this CRT once, so pick whichever one works for you. I also received a $2 off Revlon CRT and another $2 off 10 Revlon Cosmetics CRT as well. With these 3 CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $5.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal I have will be on L'Oreal Cosmetics. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Color Richie eyeshadow, priced at $6.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $13.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for this L'Oreal Cosmetics, and we received a $3 mystery offer that covers both L'Oreal, Maybelline or SNL polish. With the $2 coupon and the $3 CRT, it's going to drop it down to $8.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 15, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector, priced at $14.79. That's within the 98% rule. All you need to spend is $14.70 to be able to get your $5 back. Use the $3 Maybelline digital coupon everybody's supposed to have, and also the $3 Maybelline or L'Oreal or SNL polish mystery offer we received today. Add a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT if you have that. It's going to drop it down to $5.79. Pay that and get $5 back, making it just 79 cents. This week, Neutrogena and Cosmetics is on the deal of spend 15, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, priced at $7.49. Make sure you're picking up these 2 wipes from the makeup section, and the total for these 2 wipes will be $14.98. The $5 mystery offer we received last week is attaching to these items. It will drop it down to $9.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $4.98 or $2.49 each. LA Color Cosmetic gift sets is part of the spend 15, get $10 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 3 of the LA Color gift sets, priced at $4.99. These 3 items are going to total $14.97, and that's within the 98% rule. Without any coupon or CRT, pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 items just $4.97 or $1.66 each. The next deal I have is when you buy 2 Nivea hand and body lotion or facial care, you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Nivea body lotion, the 8.04 ounces, priced at $7.49 each. Both of them are going to total $14.98. Check your app because we have $1.50 digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $13.48, and you get $5 back. But you can also check coupons.com and print out $1.50 for the second item. But in case you don't want to print that out, submit your receipt to Shopmium for $1.50 back, making both items just $6.98 or $3.49 each. If you like the Real Feminine Care, they're on the deal of buy 1 get $3 back, and most of them are priced at $8.99. Pick up 1 of the Real tampons, the 16 count, priced at $8.99. Check your email. All those CVS emails, sometimes we have coupons and CRTs in them. I received a $2 off 8 feminine CRT that when I scan attached to this product. It's going to drop it down to $6.99. Pay that and get $3 back, making it just $3.99. The next feminine care product will be on You by Kotex. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. And they're also on sale for buy 1, get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the You by Kotex 16 count liner, priced at $1.89. That means the second one will be 95 cents. The total for these 2 items will be $2.84. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items 84 cents or 42 cents each. and this will make a very good filler item. The next deal I have is when you buy 2 Clear hair color, you get $3 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the nice and easy hair color priced at $9.49 each. These 2 items are going to total $18.98. Use a 6 off 2 digital coupon for these 2 items. And I also have this free hair color CRT. That's when you buy 7 boxes, you get the 8th one free. That will take off a max of $9. With the coupon and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $3.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making both boxes just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Scott bag tissue, the 12 rolls, on sale for $10.79. And to complete this deal, pick up 4 of the Kleenex cubes. They're on sale for 2 for $4.50. That means 4 of them will cost $9. The total for all 5 products will be $19.79. That's within the 98% rule of the spend 20. Pay the $19.79 because I don't have any coupon for this and I don't think we have any in our app. But you can check scott.com and see if you can print out any coupon for the bag tissue. I have tried several times, it's not working out for me. But without any coupon, you will get your $5 back, making all 5 items $14.79 or $2.96 each. The next deal is the spend 30 get $10 back and it's a limit of 1. But I'll be showing you 2 ways to do this deal. And the first way you can do this is by picking up the Tide Pod on sale for $13.49. And we have a $3 digital coupon that will attach to this. And pick up the small Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. Go to P&G website and print out $1.50 that will apply to this. The next item to add will be the Gain Flings on sale for $5.49. And we have $1.50 coupon in our app that is also attaching to this item. The last item to add will be the Downy Unstoppable on sale for $6.99, and that's the 7.8 ounces. The total for all 4 products will be $31.46. Using the $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, the $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Fling, and a $2 coupon for the Downy, print the $1.50 coupon from P&G website, is going to drop it down to $23.48. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 4 items $13.48 or $3.37 each. The second option I have is picking up 2 of the Pantene on sale for 2 for $10. Be careful when you pick up this deal if your store is not tagged. Check the ad to make sure you're picking up the right item. And pick up 2 of the Herbal Essence on sale for 2 for $14. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to it. The last item to add to complete this deal will be the Gain Flings on sale for $5.49. All these 5 items are going to total $29.49, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30 get $10 back. I have this $2 off Pantene CRT I received last week, and I also received another one today. I received a $2 off any shampoo or conditioner CRT that will also be applying to this Pantene. And for the Herbal Essence, I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Everybody's supposed to have that unless you've used yours. And I also have a 4 off 14 Herbal Essence CRT. For the Gain Fling, we have a $1.50 digital coupon that will apply to it. With all these CRTs and the coupons, it's going to drop it down to $13.99. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 5 items $3.99 or 80 cents each. These next 2 items are not giving back extra care box, but some of the General Mills cereal, they're on sale for $1.99. So you can pick up 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. 2 of them are going to total $3.98. And we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to it and drop it down to $2.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2, a limit of 1. That will end up making these 2 items just $1.98 or 99 cents each. If you like Arm & Hammer detergent, 27.5 ounces to 50 ounces, They're on sale for 2 for 8. It's not giving back any extra care box, but we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5. That means 2 of them will cost just $5 or $2.50 each. All these body wash are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale, so I decided to share them in case anybody needs a filler item or if these are the products you would like. Let's start with the Iris Sprinkle Soft Soap Body Wash. No extra care box, but they're on sale for buy one get one 40% off. And the cheapest one we have will be the soft soap. Pick up two. One will be full price and the second one will be $3.95. And the total for these two products will be $10.54. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon we have in our app. That will drop it down to $5.54 for both or $2.77 each. The next item will be the Nivea Men Body Wash, the 16.9 ounces. They're on sale for $3.99 and we don't have any coupon currently in our app for this, so you have to pay the $3.99. And Nivea Women Body Wash is on sale for $4.99, the 20 ounces. We don't have any coupon currently in our app for this, so you have to pay the $4.99. And you can also add all these body wash to your next purchase CRT to help you get to the amount you need. The next body wash on sale will be the Olay Body Wash Pump, the 30 ounces, or the Premium Body Wash 20 ounces. They're on sale for $8.99. And the next one will be the Old Spice Body Wash, the 16 to 24 ounces. They're on sale for $6.99. And the Old Spice Body Wash Pumps, they're on sale for $8.49. And the last but not the least will be the Ivory Body Wash, the 35 flow ounces. They're on sale for $6. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you for all your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video and enter for the giveaway. And I'll see you next time.